Welcome to Farewell Fridays at Gatway Bronco. This week's delivery is headed to the Northeast. This is a retirement present, a milestone in this family's life. A professional NHL player decided that, well, this is a retirement present for himself and for his family. The first thing you'll notice is this Mango Tango paint, a brilliant metallic orange that just glistens in the light. The second thing you'll notice is this distressed brown leather interior. It just goes so well with the overall look of the vehicle. The third thing you'll notice is a brand new chassis. A chassis developed by Kinzer Engineering and licensed from Ford Motor Company, providing a modern ride and a vintage vehicle. Amidst a global pandemic, we're still able to deliver vehicles every single week. We're able to get parts that no one else in the industry can. If you'd like to learn more, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining, and let's take a ride together.